Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to play Grand Theft Auto 5 on an Android phone. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection for cloud gaming or remote play. Then, create or log into a Rockstar Games account if you don't already have one. Next, purchase GTA 5 on a platform like Steam, Epic Games, or your console. Download a cloud gaming app like NVIDIA GeForce NOW, Xbox Cloud Gaming, or Steam Link. Now install the chosen app on your Android device from the Google Play Store. Link your gaming account inside the cloud gaming app. Then, launch the cloud gaming app and search for Grand Theft Auto 5. Next, start the game and adjust the control settings for mobile play if needed. Play GTA 5 directly via streaming without needing to install the full game on your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.